Thought for the day, Monday, July 29th. Take care of the environment. God has not only created us, but also the universe around us. It is mandatory to remember that we take life from everything outside of us in nature. If we breathe the air that surrounds us. If we eat what is outside of us. If we touch what surrounds us. That is all created things. That is why we feel this endearing love for nature, which is extremely beautiful, and it will make us understand our faith better. Since we are children of God, created by God, also creator of the universe, we cannot harm a tree or the sea. We feel in some way like St. Francis, brothers and sisters of all. For St. Francis, the Canticle of Creators was not something sentimental or poetic. It was theological reality. He felt truly brother to all creators. Chiara, Lubich, like a rainbow, New City.
The word of life for July 2024. The Lord is my shepherd, I lack nothing.
We are members of the Focolare movement from several Latin American countries and from Italy. Did you like this video? Then give us a like and subscribe to channel Playing Campaign.